Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products on the market so you can make informed choices. Today, we're taking a close look at the Fullmosa Leather Band, compatible with Apple Watch models ranging from Series 1 all the way up to Series 11, including the Apple Watch Ultra and SE versions. If you're looking to elevate your watch with a combination of style and comfort, this might be the strap for you. The first thing you'll notice about the Fullmosa Leather Band is its premium top-grain genuine leather construction. The leather feels luxurious, soft, and smooth, while the padded interior and anti-allergic lining make it comfortable to wear all day long. Whether you're at work, running errands, or traveling, this strap is designed to minimize skin friction and prevent irritation. It's also highly breathable, efficiently wicking away sweat, which makes it suitable for extended wear even in warmer conditions. Compatibility is a major highlight. It fits multiple series, so whether you have the newest Ultra 3 or an older Series 3, you can upgrade your watch without any worries. The versatility makes it an appealing option for both men and women. Design-wise, the Fullmosa Leather Band pairs classic leather aesthetics with a polished stainless steel tang buckle, giving it a timeless, sophisticated look. The coffee and black color options are particularly versatile, complementing casual, business, and formal outfits. This strap isn't just an accessory, it's a statement piece that can seamlessly transition from your office to your evening plans. Durability is also impressive. The high-quality leather and stainless steel buckle are engineered for long-term use. And the band maintains its shape and comfort even with daily wear. The Fullmosa Leather Band comes in a length of approximately 8 inches, allowing for easy adjustments to fit a variety of wrist sizes securely. Finally, this band is more than just a watch strap, it's an upgrade to your daily wear experience. It's perfect for gifting, whether for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, and its stylish, refined look makes it a safe choice for anyone looking to add elegance to their smartwatch. If you're searching for a leather Apple Watch band that combines premium materials, comfort, and timeless design, the Fullmosa Leather Band is a solid choice. Check the link in the description to learn more and see all the available options. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product breakdowns. We'll see you in the next video.